In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a trigger link in Go High Level. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to set things up so your link can be used in campaigns, automations, or messages to track engagement and fire off workflows. First, make sure you're logged into your Go High Level account and that you're in the correct location or a sub-account where you want the trigger link to live. Trigger links are location specific, so if you manage multiple accounts, double check you're in the right one before you start. From your main dashboard, look over to the menu and click on Conversations. This is where Go High Level keeps everything related to communication, such as messages, templates, and, in our case, trigger links. Opening this section gets you into the area where you can manage the links that will be tied to your conversations, emails, and automations. Once you're inside the conversation section, look for the option labeled Trigger Links and click on it. This will open a dedicated page that lists any existing trigger links you've already created. If this is your first time here, the list might be empty, and that's completely fine. This page is your central hub for adding new links and managing old ones, like editing names or updating destinations later on. Now that you're on the Trigger Links page, go ahead and click on the Add Link button. This is usually found near the top or upper right area of the page. Clicking this opens a form or pop-up where you'll define the details of your new trigger link. Think of this as creating a branded, trackable shortcut that Go High Level can monitor. In the form, fill in the required details for your trigger link. Typically, you'll give your link a clear descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later in automations, and then paste in the destination URL where you actually want people to be sent. Take a moment to double check the URL for typos and make sure it includes the proper protocol, like HTTPS. A good naming convention now will save you time when you're building more complex workflows in the future. Once you've entered all the necessary information and you're happy with how it looks, click on Save. Go High Level will create the trigger link and add it to your list. From here, you can copy and use this link inside your emails, SMS messages, or funnels, and then build automations that fire whenever someone clicks it. And that's all it takes to add a trigger link in Go High Level.